I can't tell you how amazing it feels to be in a thunderstorm in the Mojave Desert in the heat of the day after baking at 145 degrees for hours while driving down the highway trying to pull a freaking U-Haul trailer up a hill. No. You're just going to have to imagine the rest. How amazing the rain feels on your skin and how the sage smells. Oh. And how it cooled everything down and made it all so freaking pretty. And it's my own personal storm. Nobody gets this but me. Look at this. They got smoke down there. I got my own freaking rainstorm. I'm feeling super special. Yep.